Given the code segment, select the corresponding output. So first thing to do, you go in main and we see that I've created a standard set. This is evaluating if you understand how red-black trees work. The other crucial thing that this problem is evaluating is that sets do not contain duplicates. A multi-set does permit a duplicate. The first function we call int tree here, and the value 5, and then we call a second function where we pass the standard set. So let's take a look at func and see what happens in it. In this function, we're saying, well, if the value is greater than 0, we're going to insert the value and then recursively call for value minus 1. So initially what's going to happen is we insert the value, so we start at 5, we subtract 4, 3, 2, 1, and then when we get here, when we pass value 1, 1 is greater than 0, we get to 0, and then 0 passes here and gets here. Now we're going to insert 2 to that power. So 2 to the 0 cast to 1 is the value 1. The crucial thing is whether or not you are able to insert duplicates. A set does not permit duplicates. A multi-set, which is a red-black tree but allows multiple values, would permit duplicates. In this case, because it's a standard set, we do not put in another value of 1. When we go back up the recursive trace, we're seeing other values that we can get here. Now we're at 1. 2 to the 1 is 2. That one's already in there, so we do not duplicate. Then we go next one. 2 to the 2 is 4. 4 is already in there as well, so we don't duplicate that again. When we go in here, 2 to the 3 is 8. 2 to the 4 is 16. And 2 to the 5 is 32. The crucial thing with a standard set is that when it's put in, because it's a red-black tree, it's going to be in order. So you're going to see 0, 1, it's not going to put in 0, excuse me. It's going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 16, and 32. So no 0, these are the values. So let's take a look at the results and see what's going to here. In Func 2, it prints them out in order. When it goes like this, it's going to print it in an iterated order. So we see that the one that I've put out here is choice A. If this were a multi-set instead of a set, choice B would be the correct answer. But since it does not permit duplicates, we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 16, and 32 is the correct answer.